Hello, hey there, maths adventurers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of fractions. It's like discovering hidden treasures in maths.
That's right, Sally. Fractions help us understand and share parts of whole things. Let's embark on our fraction adventure.
Imagine you have a delicious pizza, and you want to share it with friends. Fractions help us split the pizza into equal parts so everyone gets a fair share.
Let's show them how fractions work, Sally.
In a fraction, the top number is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have.
And the bottom number is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into.
Let's say we have one pizza divided into 8 equal parts. Each part is 1/8 of the pizza.
So, if we share 2 slices, we have 2/8 of the pizza.
To add fractions, we need to have the same denominator. Then, we just add the numerators.
And to subtract fractions, we do the same thing. We subtract the numerators when the denominators are the same.
Now it's your turn, math adventurers. Practice sharing things with fractions and see how many parts you can create.
Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become at using fractions.
Thanks for joining us on this fraction adventure, friends. We'll see you next time for more math fun.